Okay, today on my Side Hustle channel, I'm going to talk about the Amazon Influencer Program and the Amazon Affiliates Program. First thing I need to do is explain what the Amazon Influencer Program is. It is simply a program where if you are an influencer on the internet, meaning you're on social media, you have a kind of social media platform like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and you have followers and you have engagement and you have people that are interested in your niche and you are providing content to them and you're keeping them engaged, then a new way to influence the people into purchasing things on Amazon is to create videos. And so long and short of it is you have to have a following, you have to be on the internet, you have to be social, you have to be legit as far as making content, and this is just a next step to take it to monetizing. It is not the affiliate program, which is very different. Amazon has an affiliate program. Lots of other places have affiliate programs like ClickBank and things like that. But no, the influencer program is simply making short, detailed, shoppable videos or review videos which help somebody see a product, help somebody understand whether they want to purchase it or not on Amazon. Because on Amazon you get pictures, and now they're putting a big push towards video. You can't touch, you can't smell, you can't play with the product until it gets delivered. And so on an item that's more expensive or an item that you're just not sure about or how complicated it is or how to install it, Amazon on the top has 7 photos and then a section for videos. And if the seller puts a video out there, that opens the opportunity for additional influencers, people like me and you, to make videos where you have the product in your hand at home and you can do many things to help the consumer, me as a buyer, buy that product. You can unbox it, you can show me how many pieces are in it, you can show me how the product works, you can show me how to install the product, you can give me your first impression of this thing works great, you can give me your impression that I've actually had this Yeti cooler for 5 years and look how well it's holding up, it's absolutely fantastic. So to be an influencer, you have to go through a few hoops. Like I say, you have to already be on social media, and then you need to sign up for the influencer program. And the way you do that is you go to amazon-affiliates.amazon.com/influencers. Just do a quick internet search for that. You'll find it in Nothing Flat. The process is really simple to apply. You go in and you put your name, your account, you're logging into Amazon, generally with your buyer's account. But in my case, I have a buyer and a seller FBA account, and then everything I purchase on Amazon is through a separate account my family uses. You could call it my spouse's account or whatever, but you just log into that and then you tell it what social media sites you have, and it goes out, and the AI, automatic computers, go out and instantly look and see how many followers you've got, what your engagement is, and in a lot of cases they can instantly just say yeah. With that, there's no guarantee you'll get involved. There's lots of rules about what you've put on social, what your social following is, if you haven't broken the TOS for Amazon. Because one thing I had actually accidentally done as an FBA seller, I had posted Amazon pages to my Instagram with a link back to it showing, hey, go buy my product that I'm selling from my social media account. But actually the TOS, Terms of Service for Amazon, says all I can have is that link that goes back and pictures of my product that I own. I absolutely cannot screenshot the Amazon webpage and post it on Instagram. So I had an initial ding, and I had to go through a couple of hurdles there. So with applying for the influencer program, go read all the terms of service. Go in and go through it up, down, back and forth. There's lots of words you can and can't say on the videos you make. But then again, I'm jumping ahead of myself a little bit. So once you apply for the influencer program, you will become an influencer, and they will give you an affiliate account at the same time. So affiliate links are different. Affiliate links are something you put a picture of a product on your Instagram and then a link in your bio back to Amazon for somebody to purchase it. And then if they purchase it on Amazon by coming from your link, that's an affiliate and you'll get a commission. The influencer is opposite. You're going to make a video, and with that video, you're going to upload it into what they call your storefront. So on Amazon, once you get approved, you'll get a storefront. It'll be amazon.com/amazing deals, if that's what you call your storefront, or Happy Dog or whatever. So then you can also post on Instagram your storefront and send people over there, and then when they get to your storefront, you'll have all your videos there. You'll have other things you can create, like you can create photos that link to products on Amazon. You can create lists. You can create groups and things like that. But once again, I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself. But you've got a storefront and the ability to create videos. And then once you're at that point, the first 3 videos you create are very critical. They're important to Amazon, that you upload them, that you follow the terms of service, and you make them really good. You make them really detailed, and Amazon will evaluate those. It'll take anywhere between 3 days and a month. It's all just up to Amazon when they get to it. And if those 3 videos are approved, you will earn on-site commissions, and that's where the money comes in. You do a video for a pair of skis that you really love, and that video goes on Amazon's listing for the skis. And like I mentioned, there's a top carousel that they call it, and there's a bottom double carousel, and it'll have reviews from people that do reviews free just because they like to. It'll have videos from people that are influencers like you, and then it will have related videos for other products. So like I said, if you do your skis and there are a certain brand of skis and you have certain bindings on them, if those bindings are on a different set of skis, your video could show up for that second set of bindings. So in a nutshell, it's fairly easy. The videos don't need to be super complicated. You don't need to edit them. You don't need to go full YouTube style with pans in and pans out and pans here and there, whatever else. They're more like real life user videos that really help somebody decide, is this a good product or is this a cheap, flimsy, imported product that you don't want? There's a lot of other metrics and a lot of other complication to it. But basically the influencer program is you'll get a commission on everything that sells after somebody watches your video on Amazon. And because Amazon has, I'm going to wing it, millions, hundreds of millions of products, and they want videos on all of these different products, there's still tons of opportunity. You don't need to purchase the product from Amazon, you just need to have it in your house. So you can go through your Amazon purchase history and go around your house and make quick videos for all of them. You can go to somebody else's house, you can go to an Airbnb while you're on vacation and find products. Once again, I'm getting ahead of myself. You just need to get started, get in the program. You can search the internet. There's very detailed pages on how to install or how to apply and the different steps you need to make and whatnot. But for the most part, it's simple. You go in, create your account. I would limit it to put your best social media on there. If you have private ones with your kids and half business ones, and then you have one that's really big about animals and feeding animals and taking care of animals, I would probably just use your single source, the animal one, and kind of keep your mix of all these different channels and things out of it. So not going to say that you can become a millionaire overnight. I'm not going to say that, you know, I make $10,000 a month or anything else doing that. What I'm going to say is, if you want to put in the work, this is a really good side hustle where it can create passive income. You can create a video, you can upload it, if it gets sales and views, Amazon will keep showing it to customer. It'll get more sales and views. And so with a little bit of work or a lot of work, there are different channels that actually pay people for videos and upload them like crazy that do make millions and millions a year. But that's way more than a one-person operation. But as a one-person operation, or as a stay-at-home caretaker, or somebody who can't work, do the physical labor anymore, this is a great opportunity. It's also an opportunity to build upon just your influencer videos with more affiliate programs, build it into your social media platform, and or start another platform like, say, YouTube to showcase your videos. So I'm into it all the way up to here. I have my affiliate links set up on a YouTube channel with my influencer videos on Amazon and my influencer videos on YouTube, and I also blog about it. Have a quick update process. When I create a new influencer video, it goes out to a number of places on the internet, and it's just starting to kind of snowball. So that's what the Amazon Influencer Program is about. I will definitely have more tips and tricks and details. If you want to like, subscribe, share this. Thanks for watching. Tell your mom.